Isaiah 55, 8 through 9. For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, saith the Lord. For as the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways, and my thoughts than your thoughts. This verse encourages us to trust in God's wisdom, to lean on Him even when we can't understand His plan or see His plan or even feel it. His perspective is far beyond ours, and while we may face confusion or doubt, we can have faith that His ways are always for our good, even if they seem different from what we expect.